Have you ever wondered why even the finest artisanal sourdough can end up tasting like dry cardboard once it hits the breakfast plate?
Experience the
The
richness of
secret
slow-roasted
isn't just in the
vegetables and
fermentation of
crispy
the
chicken,
dough, it is
smothered in
the
homemade
precision
gravy.
of the heat.
This looks absolutely
Welcome to
delicious.
my kitchen. As a professional
I agree, the
chef,
aroma alone
I
is making
believe
my
that
mouth water.
Every tool on your countertop must earn its place through performance and consistency. Today, we are putting the Cuisinart 4-slice compact stainless steel toaster to the test to see if it truly delivers that chef's kiss golden crunch. In a fast-paced kitchen, space is a luxury. This Cuisinart model features a compact, thoughtful design that doesn't hog your prep area. But don't let the size fool you. It's a workhorse equipped with dual independent control pins. This means you can perfectly brown a delicate pastry on one side while blasting a hearty bagel on the other. With 1.5-inch extra-wide slots, this machine is built for versatility. Whether it's thick-cut French toast, frozen pancakes, or a standard slice of rye, it accommodates them all without the dreaded taste and squeeze. The operation is where the precision shines. You have 6 setting browning dials and dedicated buttons for defrosting, reheating, and bagels, all backed by clear LED indicators. I can really appreciate the positive lock feel of the levers. It feels like a professional-grade piece of equipment, and the extra lift carriage is a lifesaver for retrieving smaller items without singeing your fingertips. However, let's talk about the kitchen realities. This toaster is absolutely gorgeous in stainless steel, but it is a magnet for fingerprint oils. You'll want to keep a microfiber cloth nearby to maintain that mirror finish. Also, the crumb trays slide out from the back, which can be a bit of a logistical puzzle if you keep your toaster tucked under a cabinet. You might notice that these levers have a slight jiggle to them, though they function perfectly well. Lastly, while the 3-year limited warranty provides excellent peace of mind, the registration process can be a bit tedious. Despite these minor quirks, the consistency of the toast, edge to edge, every single time, is what matters most. If you are looking for a reliable, stylish, and high-performing tool to elevate your morning routine, this Cuisinart is a solid investment for any home cook.